Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a DIY hair mask for thicker, shinier, and frizz-free hair, and you only need 3 simple ingredients. We're going to start off with some aloe vera gel from a fresh aloe vera plant. You're going to also need some rose water. You can pick this up at your local grocery store. You're also going to need some ginger. I always use organic ginger, and you want to blend all of this together. The measurements of each of the ingredients are provided on the screen. That is how much I use for one use. If you want to make a bigger batch, you can definitely do so, and if you have any left over, you can definitely keep it in your fridge. And if you keep it in your fridge, it lasts for up to a month. So if you want to make a bigger batch and use it for future uses, you can definitely do so. And then once you blend it out, you want to strain out all the juice. You can do it with a strainer. I don't have a strainer, so I just use a scarf that's see-through, and that works just as well. And then after I go ahead and squeeze the juice out into a bowl, I transition that into the jug because it makes it a lot easier for me to pour it into the spray bottle. Alright, now it's time for the application process. If you guys have done DIY hair masks before, you guys know the application process of any DIY is always a hot mess. So it's really important to have a good technique. The way I apply it is I section my hair and then I spray right at the root, and then I get a bristled hairbrush and I just comb the product all the way through the ends of my hair. This just helps distribute the product evenly, and I make sure like everything is saturated, and I do this throughout my entire head. I section, spray the roots, rub it in, and then I get my hair comb and I just distribute the product all over, just like that. After applying and saturating my hair with this product, I go ahead and braid my hair and sleep with it, let it work its magic overnight. And in the morning, I just shampoo my hair and then I blow dry it. I blow dry my hair with cold air on medium speed, and I have no product on my hair whatsoever, and I kind of get it semi-dry first before I go ahead and section it and dry my hair with a round brush. I still dry my hair with the cold air on the medium level speed, and it works just as well. It just helps prevent that intense damage, especially since I have no product on my hair. I'm not gonna lie, round brushing takes forever, but when I round brush away from my face, and it gives me nice volume, and I love how it looks afterwards. So if you guys like volume, definitely round brush away from your face, just like this, and you'll get nice hair like this. It's so pretty. And did you guys notice that my hand did not get stuck in my hair? Because usually I run my fingers through my hair and it gets super tangled, but look at that, no tangles at all. It's just so nice and soft, and there's no frizz, barely any, and my hair is super shiny with no product. Ba-bam, so pretty. I was obsessed with my hair. After I blow dried it, I was like, I gotta go out and be seen with my hair looking this shiny and this neat. And if you want to look like that too, then do this hair mask. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe, because this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I have tons more videos on my channel and a lot more coming up. So let's get social and follow me on all my social media sites. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.